Hello.
Hello, Ziggy. How are
We're
you?
here with Towns.
This is my best friend Daniel.
This is my best friend Aston.
And then this is our best friend Ziggy.
Yes. None of us
Have ever
had a Bloody Mary. We got to start the day off right.
I'll take lead on the ice.
All right, let's get it going.
Thank you, Levis.
We met on our first day of uni.
First day of uni.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know where to sit. I was like, there's so many cats in here. I don't want to sit next to the wrong one. What if this is the rest of my life? And so I saw Aston sitting down and he was wearing a t-shirt of a band that I liked.
I thought I was
remember.
pretty cool and surfy and
Yeah.
tried to make friends at work. Nice wedge.
Oh, that is a good little topper.
I reckon a good quarter of my hex there, I didn't even do the courses. Yeah, we got one course called Progressive Rock that we failed because the last assignment was make a playlist, and we were like, oh, that can't be an assignment.
That's
That's
not
too
really-
easy.
Yeah.
So we
Right,
just
let's
didn't
just
do
not
it.
do
We just didn't do it.
But failing uni, it's not fun as well because it's money.
No.
It costs money.
Yeah,
You don't know that.
I didn't know that for the first 2 years. I reckon one teacher told me she never paid for uni because she was like, yeah, I don't earn enough. And I was like, well, I'm never going to earn heaps of money. Free
You really
education.
cooked a stick there. You
Yeah,
really got it ready.
I'm making things happen.
I'm just getting ready for the next one.
Let me make an Aston special.
Yeah.
Too many.
It's called the Red Devil, by the way, not the Aston special. I changed my mind.
Okay, I think
Yeah.
you're going too hot. Man.
Oh, that's frosty as hell. The final step of the Red Devil
Yeah.
is like a little surprise in there. So this is actually the devil.
Yeah.
Should we sip up?
Let's go.
Wow.
Cheers, boys.
Great
Thanks
job,
so much
gang.
for coming.
That's okay. Thanks for having us.
Thanks.
Oh my God, that is. Whoa.
Am I supposed to enjoy it?
And you guys are going to play some songs for us?
We are. The leaves that fall on the car each morning, the train that passed while the sun was dawning, it all adds up, leaving when I keep my eyes shut. The sound they make keep me from yawning, a subtle hint with a heavy warning. The time goes on, whether I do or not. Scenery changes me all the time. It's fine to be scared of things out of sight. The time I spent looking at the ground, it keeps me safe, it keeps me sound. And I don't get why I stopped looking at the sky. The air I smell still keeps me present. I'll never say that things aren't the best because time goes on, whether I do or not. Scenery changes me all the time. It's fine to be scared of things out of sight. Leaves that fall on the car each morning,
Train that passed while the sun was dawning.
the leaves that fall on the car each morning,
The train that passed while the sun was dawning.
the leaves that fall on the car each morning,
Train that passed while the sun was dawning.
the leaves that fall on the car each morning,
The train that passed while the sun was dawning.
Scenery changes me all fine to be scared of things out of sight. Why?
Safe to stay.
Changes me.
Safe to stay.
What changes me.
Safe to stay.
What changes me.
Safe to stay.
What changes me. It changes.
Sick.
Thank you.
Oh, that's nice.